So, so in the previous video, I had just said, given the introduction related to your principle of metallurgy. So there we have talked about concentration of ore at a first process. So second process is extraction of crude metals. We have to extract the crude metals from the ore. So we'll be learning this one. So extraction of metals from the ore depends upon the reactivity. So as we know, so in the tree diagram we have also seen that we have three types of metals. High reactive metals, medium reactive, low reactive. So for high reactive metals, we will be having a electrolytic matrix. So with the help of this electrolysis method, so after that we have a reduction. So extraction of metals from the ore depend upon the reactivity of the metals. To understand the order of reactivity of metals, we have understand the chemical reactions with water, steam, dilute, etc. Okay. So arrangement of metals, we have decreasing order, we have seen there in the activity series. So reduction of purified ore of the metals. So method used to particular methods of reduction of ore metal depend upon the position. So first one, we have an extraction of metals as the top reactive series. So highly reactive metals, you can say. So potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, they are the metals. They are belongs to active, highly reactive metals. So chemical reduction methods like heating with carbon and carbon monoxide, etc., to reduce the ore of these metals are not feasible. Okay, actually this heating process is used for moderate reactive and low reactive series. So here, as the temperature required for reduction is too high and more expensive, so to make the process economically, అంటే పైసలు ఎక్కువ వాడకుండా చేయాలంటే electrolysis methods to be adopted for this highly reactive metals. So highly reactive metals ki manam ఎక్కువ temperature కావాలి, so they are using electrolysis method. Okay, so here they will be using a solution. Okay, this electrolysis method you may have learned in your 8th class. So you will be having a beaker which contains just two types of rods, cathodes and anode. Okay, so we'll just learning this one. So the only method available to extract the metals by electrolytic fused compound, the compounds like extraction of sodium chloride fused sodium chloride gel, so is electrolyzed with a steel cathode and graphite anode. So here we will be using two types of rods, one is steel and second one is anode, graphite. So steel is nothing but cathode minus graphite rod is anode. The metal sodium will be deposited at the cathode and so chloride will liberate at the anode. So as you know, this is a soluble in water. So during this electrolysis process, all the sodium will get collected at cathode rod or steel rod, and all the chlorine get liberated or collected at the graphite rod. For the above electrolysis, a large quantity of electricity is required to keep the ore in the molten state. So suitable impurities are added to ore to decrease the melting point. So then they will be using some impurities to decrease the melting point of that. This is the first part. So just remember that top metals in the top reactive activity series or highly reactive metals, they goes under electrolysis process. Second one is extraction of metals in the molecular. So moderate reactive series, they want zinc, iron, tin, lead, copper. So we have 5 metals. So they are present in sulfides and carbonate. So already we have seen in the tree diagram. So these metals are present in carbonate and sulfide ore. So here, so we will be using a process known as heating. So from their purity, so they have to convert into, first thing they have to convert into metal oxides. Okay, so what are the ore particles present, carbonate or sulfide. So first thing we have to convert them into metal oxides. So after converting them into metal oxides, so they use some other process. So sulfide ores are converted into oxides by heating them in the excess of air. So this is called roasting. Okay, just remember you have two types of methods, calcination and roasting. So this then first calcination, roasting explain this. So because these are some different from this, because these things are explained at the end of the chapter. Actually they have to be started explained at the first. So here, so these are some process in the metallurgy. Okay, so they will be okay, I will just start with these three processes. Totally we have 3 processes here. So smelting, roasting and calcination. So I will just say roasting is a pyrochemical is nothing but heating process in which ore is heated in the presence of oxygen. Okay, in the below melting points. The products like metal oxides from the sulfide ores obtained in the process in the solid states. So generally it is done under the reversible furnace. So calcination is also a heating process in which the ore is heated in the absence of air. The ore is generally get under both calcination and roasting are the heating process. So both the process are used under the furnace. This is a blast furnace, and in the next page you have an reversible reverberatory furnace. Okay, so they will be using this reverberatory furnace or blast furnace, but this roasting process is done under the reverberatory furnace. Okay, so calcination kuda danlo. So idi oxygen ikkada oxygen kavali roasting calcination ki oxygen avasaram ledu. This is absence of air or this is the presence of air. Okay, we'll continue from there. So where we have left. So as I told you, so we are discussing about the modern reactive metals. So modern reactive metals, so they will be first converted into metal oxides from sulfide or carbonates. So this process is heating strongly acts in this process known as roasting. So generally sulfide ores are roasted to convert them into the oxide. So here the sulfide ores, so which we will be using a roasting method to convert them in the metal oxides. See PB. So we have an lead sulfide which is heating ante oxygen ante heating idi composition process anko అది కాంబినేషన్ ఉంటుంది రియాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది కదా అంటే కాలబెట్టడం సో ఇక్కడ కాలబెడుతున్నాం సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది చూడండి పీబీఓ వచ్చిందంటే వి గాట్ మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్ సో నౌ అగైన్ దిస్ మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్ గెట్ రిడక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ సో మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్ అగైన్ the oxides are reduced by the coke in the closed furnace. You have a blast furnace, so inside this blast furnace, closed furnace, so they will be heating with the carbon, you can say coal, so you will be getting PB and carbon monoxide. So మనకు lead వచ్చింది carbon monoxide వచ్చింది. Next reduction of ore with the carbon. So again this carbon monoxide in the blast furnace. See here we also mentioned the temperature. So reduction of metal oxide with the carbon. The oxides are reduced by coke in the closed furnace, in the reversible furnace at that 1400 temperature. So here you can see again this ferrous oxide. Okay, here we got PB, lead వచ్చింది. Okay. And if you want to extract the iron, so then this carbon monoxide, this is again reduction of oxide ores. So ఇది sulfide ores అయిపోయింది. Okay, this is a sulfide ores, PBS అంటే sulfide ore. Now we have a reduction of oxide process. So in the oxide process carbon monoxide is used with the ferrous oxide. In the blast furnace they will be giving you the ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది ఐరన్, ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది lead. And we have an auto reduction process. So sometimes this copper sulfide, these are copper sulfide, they have heated దాన్ని హీట్ చేస్తారు. సో హీట్ చేసినాక మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది, సో reduction process of sulfide ores. So in the extraction of copper from the sulfide, the ore is subjected partially roasting in air given its oxide. So when the supply of air is stopped and temperature is raised, the rest of the sulfide react with oxygen, form a metal and sulfide ore. Okay, so first they will be heating. So heat చేసిన తర్వాత suddenly they will be air is stopped and raised in temperature. The rest of the sulfide ores which is present, they will react with the oxygen, and here at the last you will be going to get అంటే this reaction won't stop, అంటే దీని తర్వాత కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. ఇది కంటిన్యూ అయినాక you will be going to get copper and sulfur dioxide. Actually these all the things will be asked in the exam, maybe 99% అడగరు, but you have to remember. Okay, so these are nothing but reduction process, so you have to use reduction. So here we have seen, see I will just show you. Actually this auto reduction ikkada undi, chemical reaction, displacement method, these are the reduction process. Okay, we will be actually we have got the oxide ores. సో చూడండి కార్బోనేట్ ore, సల్ఫైడ్ ore ఫస్ట్ మనం మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్ చేస్తాం, దాని తర్వాత రిడక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో అవన్నీ మనం ఇప్పుడు చేస్తాం. Okay, these are nothing but these are reduction process. Then we have a reduction of ore compounds with a more reactive metal. So thermite process is used here. So just now we got metal oxides with the aluminum. So thermal process involves the reaction of metal oxides with the aluminum. So when highly reactive metals such as sodium, calcium and aluminum are used in reducing agent, so the displacement metals lower reactive from the compound. These displacement reactives are highly exothermic. The amount of heat involved is so large the metal produces in molten state. So here this is a process of reduction. So we will be using a displacement metal. Displacement metal also kada meeku. So highly reactive metals untai kada, sodium, calcium, aluminum. So they are used as the reducing agent. Okay, so here see we have a tin, TiCl. Okay, so magnesium is a metal. Here you are using sodium. So to remove this tin, they are using this magnesium and sodium, highly reactive metals. Okay, so this is nothing but displacement reaction you have already learned. So in the second chapter, the amount of heat involved is so large the metal will be present in the molten state. This will be present in the molten state. So also here we have an, okay, how they are used. The reaction of iron and iron oxide. So iron is a metal of highly reactive which will react with the oxides. Okay, so iron oxide with the aluminum process in the molten. So iron oxide, here we have an, sorry, the reaction of iron oxide will react with the highly reactive metals aluminum and give you aluminum oxide and iron and heat. So mostly this process is known as thermite process. They are used to the molten state aluminum which is produced, the molten iron which is used to join the railway tracks or the cracks of the machines. So కొన్ని machine cracks join చేస్తారు, లేకుంటే railway tracks use చేస్తారు కదా. So thermite. So in the exam he may ask you what are the uses of thermite process. So you have to write it. They are used to join the railway tracks and cracked machine parts. So you may also write the reaction. So iron oxide reacts with aluminum, gives you aluminum oxide, iron, heat. You just balance the equation. Next, last one. So last one is nothing but extraction of metals at the bottom of the active series. So extraction of metals. So at the last reactive series is low reactive metals. So last లో ఏమున్నాయి ఇవి. సో మనకి ఏం, ఓకే, I will just give you a review. See, first we haven't seen ores. So ores, we have in the last video you have seen this hand picking, washing, flotation, manganese separation. After we have an extraction. So highly reactive metals like halides and oxides, they use electrolysis process. Steel rod, graphite rod use చేసుకున్నాం కదా అది. So metals of media reactive, carbonates or sulfides, so they use to process calcination and roasting. We will get metal oxides. After that we have an oxidation process for a different one. So thus now we have seen this thermite process over there. Next we are to now we'll be learning about metal of low reactive, which are nothing but sulfide ores. So here we have only one process, nothing but roasting. So metals of the bottom series are very less reactive. The oxides of these metals can be reduced to metal by heating alone. So we will be heating them alone. So next, suppose we have an cinnabar, mercury, HGS. Okay, so this is the ore of a mercury. So it is heated with air. Roasting process, heating with air, it get converted into metal oxide. Again it is first it is converted and it is also again reduced. So again it get reduced. So we will be going to get metal oxide, last లో మళ్ళీ metal oxide, అంటే ఫర్దర్గా ఎలోన్గా హీట్ చేస్తూనే ఉండాలి. సో సమ్ గ్యాస్ విల్ బి రిలీజ్ హియర్. ఓకే, displacement from aqueous solution. So here we have an AgS2 for CnS2. So here Ag is dissolved, say KCN solution to get dicyanoarginated. Okay, ions. From these ions, Ag is precipitated, treating with a zinc dust under displacement process of aqueous solutions. Some displacement process is going. Displacement తెలుసు కదా, డబుల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్. ఆ డబుల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ప్రాసెస్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇవన్నీ మనం రాయాలి ఎగ్జామ్లో. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ థర్డ్ స్టేజ్, ప్యూరిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ మెటల్స్. సో ద మెటల్స్ obtained from the reduction which is in the form of ore or you can do molten state. So example, the blister copper sulfide which are extracted from the sulfide ores, compounds like iron sulfide which are extracted from the copper sulfide or iron and iron. So these are purified by suitable methods, electrolysis, or we have some refining of metal. Okay, we have so many process of obtaining the pure metals from impure. So just until now we got a impure metals, so now we will be refining them into pure metals. So refining of metals involves several types. So there are 4 types: distillation, pooling, liquefaction, electrolysis. So distillation chala easy process. So the metals the metals which has low melting point like zinc, mercury, so they have containing high boiling metal impurities. They are extracted in the molten state, destined to be obtained. Distillation process uses distillation just next, pooling. So pooling the molten. Okay, I will just do one thing. So how this process are carry out, so I will just post a relative link in the description lo chepta relative link emundi. So polling em cheyali. So with the help of a green wood, they will be stirring the molten metals. Impurities which are removed as either gas or get oxidized to form a slag. అంటే అవి సర్ఫేస్ మీద స్లాగ్ ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది, or they get removed from as a gas. Next, liquefaction అంటే these are used for low melting metals like tin that can be made from the slopy surface to separate from the high melting impurities. So same అక్కడ ఉంది కదా మనకు వాషింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. సో వాషింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఏం చేస్తాం, we will be using them. So made to be, the tin can be made to be flow on slopy surface of to separate it from the highly melting impurity. Next we have an electrolysis method. Just now we have seen in the highly reactive metal electrolysis method. Adi idi same untaru, but they will be using different rods. Okay, we'll just see that. So in this method, impure metal is to be made as act as an anode. Okay, impure ni add or cathode ni pure. Suitable electricity is used here. So required metals get deposited at the either impure undi adi pure ayipotadi. They get displaced or get deposited in the pure metal cathode rod. Anode lo impure undi, cathode lo pure metal ayipotadi. Electrolysis method to refine this is used to refine the copper. So in this method, impure copper is taken as an anode and pure copper strip is taken as cathode. ఒక దగ్గర impure పెడతారు, ఒక దగ్గర pure పెడతారు. ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ పాస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎలక్ట్రోలైసిస్ మెథడ్ అయితే సో ప్యూర్ అనేది ఒక క్యాథోడ్కి వచ్చేసి ఇంప్యూర్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. Okay, so zinc is used. Zinc may also refine in this way, he's saying. Okay, so this is nothing but refinement. Okay, ఈ కరోజన్ అనేది నేను లాస్ట్లో ఒక వీడియోలో మొత్తం ఒకసారి చెప్తాను. సో బిఫోర్ దట్ I will just tell you the different types of methods which are used here. So a few important process. So first one is smelting. So it is an heating process. Okay, this is an heating process where the ore is mixed with the flux. So ore అంటే మనకు తెలుసు కదా, which are extracted, the mineral which is extracted from the earth crust. ఏదైతే భూమి నుంచి మనం earth crust నుంచి చేస్తాం కదా అది ఏంటి, ore. So that is nothing but ore. So ore will be mixed with the flux and fuel. So you know what fuel is nothing but coal. ఏదైతే బొగ్గు యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా అది వచ్చేసి fuel. What is flux? So flux is nothing but it is an substance which is added to ore to remove the gangue from it by reacting. So they are using some substance which will be removing the material. Okay, the heat is so strong the ore is reduced even in the metal. In the case of iron, the metal in the present is okay. I will just take you the help of these reactions. I will explain what is happening here. So it is a closed furnace. Okay, this is the blast furnace under closed furnace. So here, so they will be using ore. They are using this process for reduction. Okay, సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారు, మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్ క్యాల్కులేట్ అంటే సల్ఫైడ్ ఓర్స్ని మనం మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఈ ప్రాసెస్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. సో డ్యూరింగ్ ద స్మెల్టింగ్ ద ఇంప్యూరిటీస్ ఇన్ ద ఓర్ రియాక్ట్ విత్ ఫ్లక్స్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్లక్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ యాడెడ్, ద డస్ట్ పార్టికల్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయి కదా గ్యాంగ్. సో గ్యాంగ్ ఫ్లక్స్ బోత్ విల్ కంబైన్ అండ్ విల్ గెట్ ఏ స్లాగ్ అండ్ విచ్ ఈస్ రిమూవ్డ్. For example, here they have taken iron oxide, coke is used as a fuel, coke is nothing but coal, limestone is used as a flux. Smelting carried out in a spacing in a built in a furnace known as blast furnace. The reaction is here. So first we have a fuel, oxygen. So fuel avi rendu combine aithe carbon oxide vastundi. So after that we will be using oxides So here they have taken iron oxides. This iron oxide is nothing but ore, hematite. They will react with carbon oxide, will get iron, and molten iron వస్తుంది liquid form లో, you'll get a carbon dioxide gas. Again we have used a flux, limestone as a flux. So limestone, so it get decomposition process అంటే limestone అనేది calcium oxide carbon dioxide అయిపోతుంది. So they will, the what are the dust particle which is present inside that silica or clay, so it will combine with that and we will get calcium silicate, which is nothing but slag. So you just remember that flux plus gang give you the slag. Next, roasting process. This is also heating process. This is done in the absence of air. Here we have a reaction. Okay, this is calcination, which is done in the this is done in the presence of air, which is used for the sulfide ores. This is used for the absence of air. Flux, just now we done. So flux is nothing but a substance which is added to remove the dust particles. So at the last we'll get a flux plus gang, both will make you slag. So flux plus gang, both will make you slag. Next we have a furnace. So here we have a reverberative furnace. Reverberative furnace is important. So దీనికి 3 parts ఉంటాయి. You can say earth, next fire, and this one is outlet. Okay, you can say firebox, chimney, earth. So earth is the place inside the furnace where the ore is kept. ఇక్కడ ore పెడతారు. The firebox is furnace where the fuel. So here fuel will be burned. Okay, so in the blast furnace both the firebox and the earth are combined in the big chamber. So you can see in this one here, see. So here earth and fire. So fire edukelu undi, fire hidden undi, earth kuda undi. So both are present inside a chamber, but here earth and here earth and a firebox, they are in the different. In the reverberative furnace they have both firebox and earth separately. The vapors when the vapors of the flames, so often due to the burning of fuel, touch the ore in the earth and heat it up, then heat చేస్తుంది. So in the furnace so there is no direct contact with the earth and firebox. So okay, so ఏవైతే ఇవి ఉంటాయి కదా డస్ట్ పార్టికల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, they will get carried away with the help of a gases, in the form of gases from this chimney. So this is a reverberative reverberative furnace. సో ఈ దీనికి డయాగ్రామ్ అడుగుతారు ఎగ్జామ్లో, ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, సో దీనికి డయాగ్రామ్, ఇంకోటి బ్లాస్ట్ ఫర్నెస్ డయాగ్రామ్ హార్డ్గా ఉంది కాబట్టి అది అడగరు. సో మోస్ట్లీ విల్ బి ఆస్కింగ్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్, ఆర్ హీ విల్ బి ఆస్కింగ్ ద ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద reverbererative furnace, or what is the difference between blast furnace and reverbererative furnace. You have to explain. Okay, so in next video I will be just explaining the corrosion one, corrosion activity, and what are the process of prevention of corrosion, and we will be learning something about the alloys. Okay, so you just so I will be posting some links related to this process అంటే reversible furnace ఎలా చూస్తారు. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో పెడతాను లింక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో రిలేటివ్వి. సో చూడండి. ఓకే, so keep watching. Thank you.